violations from billing disputes. He demands insurance companies pay their fair share and opposing their rate-setting proposal to cover less medical care. Tell James Langevin thank you and keep fighting.
This holiday season, American Landscape Tours invites you to experience our Country Christmas and Holiday Lights Tour on December 5th. Departing from Rhode Island and Massachusetts, journey by luxury motor coach to Oakwood Farm Christmas Barn in Spencer, Mass. Witness a dazzling selection of Christmas trimmings and unique made-on-the-farm creations in this 165-year-old barn. Enjoy three-course lunch at the historic Public House in Sturbridge, Mass. Step back in time while enjoying old-fashioned Yankee hospitality. As the sun sets, arrive at Tower Hill Botanic Gardens in Boston, Mass. Witness Night Lights, a spectacular annual celebration of winter, nature, and color with thousands of lights. Don't delay. Reserve your seat today for Country Christmas and Holiday Lights Tour on December 5th. Information 781-366-1481. 781-366-1481 or American-Landscape.com.
Choosing the right Medicare health plan for you or a family member isn't always easy. There's so much information out there regarding these plans, and at times it can be very confusing. Sometimes it seems like there are more questions than answers. What plan is right for me? What options do I have that will work within my budget? And how on earth can I decide which plan to choose? If this sounds like you,
your Black Friday shopping with some of the biggest savings of all at the Hyundai Black Friday sales event. Save on every Hyundai sedan and SUV, including the 8-passenger Palisade, the Kona, the Santa Fe, Tucson, Sonata, and Elantra. Plus, when equipped with front crash prevention and specific headlights, Hyundai has 13 IIHS top safety picks. That's more than Honda, Subaru, or Toyota. All of which means at the Hyundai Black Friday sales event, savings go hand in hand with safety. So visit buyhyundai.com to find the dealer nearest you and start your savings by starting a new Hyundai.
8 days late.
would probably be Fortnite with some
56, clear tonight, low 29.
no bad.
I want to talk about underrated. I want to keep talking about this.
Well, it's
Plus, we get unlimited on all 3 devices with Amazon Prime included.
so what do you
Refrigerator for $9.